You can skip this vid if you're weak. This is only for the ones ready to face the harsh truth and real life. I ain't here to drop some boring lecture on consistency and discipline. You already know that. But here's what nobody says. Discipline and consistency don't mean jack if you don't actually live it. You know what it really is? It's learning through your own screw-ups. Nobody learns off somebody else's mistakes. You can't just half-ass the work and think it's done. Nobody's going to point your flaws out for you. Too many people just run the same routine every day and never improve, never push their limits, never feel the pain that makes you grow. And remember this, no pain, no gain. That ain't just some catchy line, it's facts. So take the pain, own it, and let it level you up. Please, hear me out. I believe in you.